Are you tired of those holiday dinner side dishes?
Well, today we're breaking the spell. A bus cooks is ringing the bell. We're making that dish everybody grabs first, and they got it so nobody else can tell. Yeah, we're talking corn pudding casserole, the kind that warms your heart and soul. So like, yeah, subscribe.
All right, this is the side dish that everybody's gonna eat first and go for seconds, trust me. Super simple, super easy. We're doing it right now. Get a large bowl, 1 can of drained sweet corn, 1 can of cream corn, 1 package of Jiffy Cornbread mix, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 8 ounces of sour cream. And we'll get all that into our bowl. And we're going to give it a real good mix. And while I'm mixing that, please like, share, subscribe. And a new one, there's a hype button underneath the video. Just scroll those promote and whatnot over and click on the hype button, please. I guess it really helps. And hit the button to stay up to date on newest recipes. A new one comes out every Wednesday, every Sunday. Hope you're enjoying them as much as I am making them. Alright, so we're going to get this all mixed up. And I've got an 8x8 glass baking dish. I sprayed it with a little bit of non-stick for easy cleanup, because we like easy cleanup. And we're just going to pour this mixture right into that baking dish. My oven is already preheated at 350 degrees. So once we finish this mix, we'll pour it right into that dish. Just like that. And just kind of even it out as best you can. And I'm telling you, this corn pudding casserole, it's more like a dessert than it is a side dish. It's so good. Who would have thunk? Anyways, I think you're all gonna love this dish. I think it'll be your go-to holiday meal side dish for sure. But let that bake for 1 hour. When it comes out, you're gonna see how golden brown it is. And just let it sit about 10-15 minutes before you dig into it, because it will stay hot for quite a while. And there you have it. Just make sure you stick your toothpick in, make sure it's done, nothing sticks. Good to go.
Holiday dinner side dishes.
Well, today we're breaking the spell.